for today's video. I'm gonna walk you around Tsilivi. By the way guys, it's September 21 today and it's Thursday. And it's 1:18 in the afternoon, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket to buy milk and some items that I need, but I'm gonna take a video as well so you can able to see Tsilivi main road this month of September. So enjoy watching guys. I'm gonna bring you with me. So we're gonna start our tour here from Breeze Bar, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go this way because I'm gonna go to Critical Supermarket. That one. So going to Critical Supermarket is about 10 minutes walk from Planas area where I stayed, because I'm staying in Planas area guys. €20 for that. So cute. And there's a lot of supermarkets, so the shops and tabernas are still open because it's only September guys. October on, I think, in the middle of October, some of the shops will be closing, starting to close. So some, they say that they were going to open only until 15th of October, so it's in the middle of October, and after that there are most will be going to close. So this is a door. Most will be closing at the middle of October. So there's one beauty salon here, hair and nail place and body. So for manicure, pedicure, Obelix, and yeah, I already showed this, the motor, and here is car rental. There's a lot of car rentals actually here guys. Nice one. Rick Tabarna, Nunos. I have showed that in my previous video guys. This is Milo's smoothies with fresh fruits. You can drink your cocktail here, and then yeah, that one. Cocktail in their place. Milo's. Mini golf is there. Fantasy mini golf. We tried the ice cream here the other night with my friend. That's only €3 with a cone. So it's ice cream on cone. It was nice. And this is the mini golf here. Let's see what they're doing here. Ramya's restaurant. It's a Greek Mediterranean cuisine guys. Their menu is here, and this is the Planet Pub. This is the Planet Club, guys. So early, that's why it's not so busy yet. Main stage bar is there, and then there's a mirror hairdressing salon here in this area if you're looking for hair salon. And then there's one pharmacy here and medical center. It's Siasa's medical center, and pharmacy is there. That's what I'm buying medicine. Nano sources. Jasmine Bar and Restaurant is here. And then opposite, souvenir shops. And then there's an exchange here without commission. It says 110. Palladium is just there. It's a nice restaurant as well, guys, that you can try here in Tsilivi. And Estase is that on that area. Estase Grill House. I have tried souvlaki there with my friend. And then we're now in the center, guys. And this is Popeye Restaurant. And when I turn left here, it's already the Titika supermarket, guys. And when I turn right there, it's there's one supermarket, which is this Spar supermarket. And then here is Gyroland Grill House. If you love gyros, you can try here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in this side. So the supermarket is here, guys. So I'm gonna go in this criticals and I'm gonna see what I can buy. There you go. I'm checking the nuts, guys, whether what I can buy for the nuts is nuts. This is already mixed with cranberries. I think I'm gonna take this one. I found the cheaper one, $2.75. This one. Baklava is €3.09, guys. Baklava. And olives, and then olive oils, and those nuts. So I'm gonna check Asian noodles here. Sometimes I wanted to eat Asian noodles, so I'm gonna have one of this teriyaki classic or yakitori. I think I'm gonna check one yakitori and one of this. I'm gonna try this one. Let's gonna check the fruits here that we have. Oh, avocado is $4.65 and then kiwi is $6.9. Going in this area. I've been here before as well. I've shown you this area, guys. Yum Yum restaurant is here. So this is the Aliatico restaurant, guys. When you go at the end of this road, you're gonna be in the beach. And then this one is another popular restaurant here. Happy hour is 8 until 10 p.m. at €6. Nice one. The wind. And then this one is the name of this restaurant is Anna's Kitchen. Yeah, they have this garden here. Nice garden. Margaritas. There's a lot of shops here, and at night it gets busy here. It's enough this trouble. They have fruits. They have fruits here. Silver. This is shops with silver. Souvenir shops, and then on that side is cocktail bar. So those are the silver items, guys. I can't read the name. Senyo. I'm not wearing my specs, so I can't read carefully. If you turn this area, you're gonna be in the beach, and you're gonna be in the beach as well when you go in this area. So both. So which one would you like to go? We can go this way. There's a supermarket here as well with fruits. Nice. Oh wow, nice dresses. I love the color. Nice. Nice outfit for the beach. These are the studio apartments. This is strawberry sky. Pancakes, Tom John cocktail pool bar. Oh, they have a nice pool bar here. Tom John. Okay. So Tom John apartment, and then opposite they have cocktail bars. And I don't know which restaurant is this. Seems nice. Obli Tabarna restaurant. It's an Obli. Let's see the price. Okay, for the chicken gyros pita, it's $4.60. Not bad. And chicken wings $7.50. Chicken burger is €9. Classic burger is $8.90. Greek burger is $8.70. Cheese and ham hot toast $4.60. Breakfast, English breakfast is $7.50. Yeah, not bad. And then let's see the starters. Oh, the price is not so expensive. And for the grill, mixed gyros $12.90, $17.90. And for the lamb, it's $17.50. And over here for the seafood, I like seafood, so okay, sea bass is $16.90. Oh, almost the same with the restaurant that we have tried before. Pizza is $14.20. Dessert is this one. Alright, and this is the restaurant, guys. It's at the Borna. Nice one. It's nice. It's ugly. So now we're in the beach, guys. So I told you we'll be in the beach. Trenton Nova Studios. Wow, nice. I like this. That's Trenton Nova Studios. So these are the studios near or close to the beach. I think this is the Borna. Trenton Nova restaurant. So they have studios, and then this the Borna Soul. So these are the prices. They are open from 10 a.m. till 12 midnight every day. So they have bottled wine and house wine. So let's see the price. 16 mixed grill, 16.50. Pork chop, 11.50, 18.50. Let's see the chicken, the fish. Yeah, grilled calamari is 30.90. Fried calamari is 30.90. Sea bass is 17. So I think most of the restaurant they are selling the sea bass for 17 euro. Starters are this one, and this is for the desserts, and for the drinks is this one. Nice. So Coca-Cola is 3.20. Yeah, and for the cocktails it's 8.50. Today's special, it says there, it's salmon fillet in a cream mustard and fresh dill sauce, served with roast potatoes and grilled vegetables at 17.50. Nice ambience. So we are in the beach, guys. You see those ladies, they don't want to get tanned. And this one is another tabernas here, another restaurant, Secret Beach Bar and Restaurant. Nice. It's also a nice place to hang out. I don't know what's the name of this apartment or studios. ATM machine. There. There's one ATM machine. It's right there. Actually, you can find ATM machine every corner. And we are in the beach, guys. Alias. Oh, this is the Alias spa. So they're doing massage. Alias. How do you pronounce it? Alias or Ilias? It's an Ilias massage specialist. So the prices for the massage is full body massage is for 1 hour is 40 euro. There you go. This is the open area, guys. There's no sunbed here. There you go. I'm gonna go in this area. Let's see. So on that area has sunbeds. Nice. Beautiful day today. Nice here. I'm gonna go in this area, guys.